Ducati has unveiled the most powerful iteration of their muscle cruiser lineup yet, the Diavel V4 RS. This new high-performance machine is equipped with Ducati's V4 engine found in the Panigale V4 Superbike. It delivers a claimed 180 brake horsepower at 11,750 RPM, a 12 brake horsepower increase over the standard Diavel V4's engine. Peak torque is rated at 120 Nm at 9,500 RPM, aided by revised gear ratios that focus on stronger acceleration in lower gears. The rev limiter is set at 13,500 RPM in all gears except first, where it is activated at 14,000 RPM. A high-flow air filter further boosts breathing efficiency. The Diavel V4 RS uses a 6-speed transmission paired with the STM Evo dry clutch crafted from billet aluminum. This unit features a slipper function for smoother downshifts and better durability. Ducati's latest quick shifter is also fitted, offering more precise and responsive gear changes thanks to a new drum position sensor. As with all of Ducati's latest V4 models, the RS comes loaded with advanced rider aids, including cornering ABS, traction control, wheelie control, and 3 power modes, 2 delivering full power and 1 capped at 112 brake horsepower for low-grip conditions. Riders can also choose between 4 riding modes: Sport, Touring, Wet, and for the first time on a Diavel, Race mode. The RS features Ducati's updated launch control system, which manages torque output during standing starts to optimize acceleration. The system has 3 selectable levels and performance data logging. All relevant information is displayed via a TFT dash, which gets new graphics specific to the RS. Ducati has managed to shed 3 kilograms from the standard Diavel V4, bringing the claimed curb weight down to 223 kilograms. This has been achieved through extensive use of carbon fiber components, titanium exhaust tips, and a lightweight lithium-ion battery. The chassis consists of a lightweight aluminum monocoque frame, with the engine acting as a stressed member. This is paired with a steel trellis subframe and a single-sided aluminum swing arm, supporting forged 5-spoke wheels. Suspension duties are handled by fully adjustable Öhlins components, including a 48mm NIX30 fork up front and an SDX46 shock at the rear. These units have been tuned for a firmer ride to reduce load transfer under braking and acceleration, while enhancing feedback in corners. Braking is top shelf, with twin 330mm front discs and Brembo Stylema monoblock calipers, while the rear is handled by a 265mm disc and a Brembo floating caliper. True to the Diavel's muscular design ethos, the RS sports a massive 240/45 Pirelli Diablo Rosso 4 rear tire, the widest Ducati has ever fitted as standard. Aesthetically, the Diavel V4 RS stands apart with carbon fiber bodywork on the mudguards, tank covers, and air intakes. The titanium exhaust tips, red Brembo calipers, and a single-seat carbon tail unit featuring RS logos complete the visual package. A numbered plaque on the rear cylinder head further distinguishes each unit. The tail unit can be swapped for a pillion seat, with removable foot pegs and grab handles included for added flexibility. Despite its track-ready specs, Ducati hasn't forgotten about real-world usability. Features like rear cylinder deactivation help with heat management and fuel economy in low-load conditions. The Diavel V4 RS is a dramatic blend of superbike engineering, cruiser attitude, and premium materials, offering riders a rare combination of brutal performance and everyday functionality.